Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Install It Right. In this video, we will learn how to install Ollama on Windows. Ollama allows you to run large language models and AI models locally on your system without relying on the cloud. So without any delay, let's get started. First, open your web browser and on Google type Ollama and press enter. You can see the official website ollama.com. Click on it. After opening the website, you will see the download button. Click on the download. By default, Windows is already selected. Ollama requires Windows 10 or later, so it works on both Windows 10 and Windows 11. Now click on the download for Windows. Now you will see the download has started. So please wait for a moment. The file size is around 1 GB. Once the download is completed, you will get a .exe file. Now click on the .exe file to begin the installation. Minimize the window and directly click to install. It will take a few moments. After installation, Ollama will open. From here, you can select the model you want to use. These are the available model, and when you select any model, it will download first before running. You can also install and run model using the command prompt, which is the most common method. Now go to start and type cmd and press enter. Simply type Ollama. If you see the list of commands, that means Ollama has been installed successfully. To run any model, just simply type the command. Now you might be wondering from where do we get the model name and commands. For that, go back to the Ollama website and click on the model. Simply sort by newest. You can choose any model you want. For example, DeepSeek v3.2. Just copy the command and paste it into the command prompt. And if you press enter, Ollama will automatically download and run the model locally. That's it for this video. This is how you can install Ollama on Windows and run AI model locally on your system. If you face any issue or error or have any doubts, comment below and I will try my best to help you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such tutorials. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.